My name is John Ray Cruz from BSIT-1F. Verbal and nonverbal communication in multicultural context. First, verbal communication is the way of people share information, ideas, thought, and feelings by using spoken and written words. We use communication every day when we talk to our family, teachers, and classmates. We use it when asking questions, sharing opinions, and expressing ourselves. Verbal communication is something we do all the time. The main element of communication words, are words, tone of pitch, tone of voice, pitch, volume, and speaking pace. These are important because they can affect the meaning of message. For example, even if two people say the words, meaning can change depending on how they say it. Verbal communication is not about the words we say. On the other hand, nonverbal communication is when we communicate any words, without using any words. These include things like expression, gesture, body language, and eye contact, posture, and personal space. Sometimes people can understand how we feel even if we do not saying anything. Nonverbal communication is very important. The function of communication are to give information, express feelings, persuade others, build relationship. Meanwhile, nonverbal communication helps support spoken word, gives additional meaning to the message. Verbal communication and nonverbal communication go together. In cultural situation can be hard because different culture do all things differently. Example, eye-to-eye contact. In other culture, eye-to-eye contact means respectful and confident. In other, looking to someone eyes can be rude, especially when talking to older people. Eye contact is sometimes need to be careful with. Another example is hand gesture. A gesture that is okay in culture may mean something in another culture. This can sometimes cause problem between people. There can also problem in communicate. For example, some words or joke may mean things to people from different culture. Verbal and nonverbal communication works together to make message clear and effective. Words words express the message while action and expression show emotion and intention. Both verbal and nonverbal are important in multicultural settings. They help us understand each words, other, avoid misunderstanding, and show respect for different culture. Thank you po.